In this video, we are going to see that how can we add leading zeros to the numbers in Excel. So here is the sample column that we have, which has numbers from 1 up till many numbers. So we are going to see that how can we add a specific number of leading zeros. There is no simple way to do this, but there is a quick workaround which we are going to discuss. So for this, what we need to do is first of all select this whole column. Now what we are going to do is right click over here and go to format cells. In this format cells, we can specify any type of formatting for how the text is going to be shown in the cells. So we are going to add a custom formatting. Now here from the custom formatting, we can just select the type or the way we want to show the numbers. So let's just select the 0, so the type changes to 0. Here you can see the sample that how your numbers will look finally. So let's just type in like 4-5 zeros and this is how the numbers will look finally. Once you've done this, you can click on OK and you will see that all the numbers have been changed into something like this. So this is the quick way of doing these things, adding leading zeros to the numbers in Excel. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching.